Come on, do it. Mitch. What the hell? This guy, how is she broken up? Hey, dude. We are going to meet Mr. Clau because he absolutely destroyed his G4, dude. His rear tire exploded. He just arrived at Mr. Clau. And he's painting a Kukirin G2 Max right now. We are at this guy's home. What's up, dude? Oh my god, dude. Here is the destroyed G4. What's up, though? We're gonna have to change it completely, dude. Look at all this paint job right here. Damn. We are out right now with the G2 Master. We still have the 60 volts battery, which is insane. Just look at that. Full black, dude. Full black. There is no more Kukirin logo on that side. Cannot even tell this was a Kukirin scooter right now. In the meantime, I'm gonna have a look at clau suspension because it's absolutely destroyed. It is just not staying there. I'm gonna use more string. That should be it. I just put this string in such manner that the string won't be able to get out. I really don't recommend you this solution. We're just doing this because we don't have another G4 spring to spare. If you have this issue, just get yourself a new string. I really hope it's gonna work though. He's painting the handlebar. This is the replacement tire. Oh, it popped. Please. Oh, it also popped. Oh, dude. And that's it. We've got the tire out. Now the next step is to take the engine off. Screws off. Okay. Old tire. New tire. I'm gonna take the disc brake off real quick. Come on. It's pop out. Now on the other side. Okay, now we can simply take it off. I underestimated this process. It was way easier on the other wheel. Okay. Okay, now the other half. I'm just gonna cut it. Whoa. He's using brute force. He's actually cutting it with a knife. That's kinda harsh to do it, but if it works, it works. Whoa. Okay. Half a G4 tire. What is happening right now? Finally! We are halfway there because now he's trying to install the new one. That's even more challenging. Finally, we installed the damn tire. All we needed was like a huge amount of soap. Oh god, I'm never doing this again. This is the most painful process ever. Now we just put the disc brake back in place. Let's put this damn rear wheel. Finally! Pump it up. Test drive. Ooh, damn. We have full battery on the G2 Master, and not gonna lie, the outcome of this G2 Max looks kinda sick. He has blue handlebars, blue on those two parts, and full black. Even painted his helmet, dude. Clau is doing his job. He's wheeling non-stop, dude. Stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to unbox the G2 2025, and that's gonna be insane. And in 2 weeks from now, I'm going to unbox the A1. Oh, Clau is a beast. I should try too. Oh! Damn! Even more fans, dude. What's up? They're so excited. Have a nice day. Clau, where are you taking me? What is up with this off-road route, dude? W field, after all. I really like it. We found the boys, and they're actually cooking, dude. This food right here is called Mitch, and that's awesome. Once you try Mitch, there is no going back. You know, some cool jumps. Ooh. Ooh. Dude, I feel so free on this field. Ooh. Dude, this field is amazing! 40 kilometers an hour on this bumpy road. Okay, come on. He just fell. Okay, he's fine. I love the G2 Master, dude. It is such a cool scooter. Woo! Oh, that was amazing! My voices are telling me to go through this. I'm not gonna make it though. Come on. Once you learn how to wheelie, you just cannot go back. Oh, that was nice. Oh my god. Dude, I was leaning so much. The boys were cooking and now they're eating. W meal, dude. Dude, what? I don't think that's eatable, to be honest. I really hope that 50% of them are gonna survive after this. Another day, another life. We are gonna meet Supermoto, the song kid. We are on the G4 Max right now. I'm gonna just take the rear fender off. Come on. Oh. I just dropped the entire scooter. My bad. We've got Supermoto right here. Oh my god, dude. What are you doing? I'm gonna take this fender off real quick. Your wheel is going away. He has no tension in his chain. Ew. Oh, okay. Take it out. Put the locking thingies. Screw those two back. Put the covers on. And bam! G4 Max with no fender. That looks 10 times better, yeah. Oh my god. I think you are cooked.
I think so, yes.
I don't know, dude. Nah, dude, I don't have a French key. Yeah, you need this thingy. He's gonna do a back reveal. Ooh. Oh my god! Jesus, man. That's what happens when you fall. I'm gonna follow this bad boy. Even with his destroyed back, he's still popping wheelies like crazy. Oh. I just dropped it now! How am I gonna fix that? He somehow kinda got it. Jesus, man. I was cooked. This one. I don't know. Let's end it. Come on. 1, 2. Oh my god. Jesus. I'm shaking so bad right now. Can you see my hand? Okay. I wanna hit the jumps from the forest, so... Oh my god, dude. To be honest with you, the G4 Max is the best one for jumps. Look at this guy. Damn. Dude, this guy is absolutely insane when it comes to wheelie. I have so much power on the G4 Max, I love it. Dude, he's getting up on his legs. How cool is that? Green light, full power. Ew. This car guy is so angry, dude. Why would you go that fast? Ballerina cappuccina. This brain rot is going so wild. We've got another Sarah. What's up? It's like the perfect temperature. Ooh. Here we are. We've got the Talaria, Sarah, the G4 Max, 3 bikes, and the G2. Oh, that was insanely wrong. This is where I'm gonna die, I guess. We are going to the lakeside now, and I have to eat all those leaves. Whoa! Dude! This path is so cool. Ah, my hands! Oh! Dude, this guy is nuts! Dude, we are going 60 kilometers an hour! Oh my god, 70 kilometers an hour! Dude, 70 kilometers an hour? I don't know, this is kind of fast. Ooh. We have a dog. There's like so much dust in the air. I can't even breathe. I also have freaking dirt in my eyes. This forest trail is so cool. I have dust everywhere. This guy is riding the Saran Ultra B. What's up, dude? Ooh. Dude, this is not a trampoline! Dude, this terrain is so freaking bumpy. 60 kilometers an hour! Oh, I'm losing it. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, dude, what is this house right here? I should get in. This really looks like a haunted house or something. What the hell, dude? Oh my god. That's enough for today, dude. What was this supposed to be for real? Huh. Oh. He almost fell in front of me. That's like the perfect balance point. I don't know how they achieved that. Let's grab some water. Get your water already.
I don't know where the water.
Get your water already, dude. Get your water. Nah, dude, this guy. Billboard water. Oh my god. This guy is wheeling so much. I'm getting tired of it. Mode 3, baby. Come on. Full speed. Come on. 71. 73. 78! Come on! 79! 81! Come on! 83! What? 85! Dude, that was such a nice speed there. Green light, I guess. Dude, why was that guy so mad? I don't understand those extremely mad people who honk again and again and again. Like, one honk is enough, dude. Okay, it's green. Don't. Oh my god. Oh. See ya, dude. That moment when you say bye to your bro, but you go in the same direction. I'm just casually riding on the street and people are screaming, "Oh my god, JoyOnWheels!" What's up, little kids? This cat is so chill. How is she so chill, dude? Oh my god. WCat, dude. WCat. Even more fan. You guys are everywhere. Dude, you are riding your G4 with a broken arm. W guy, to be honest. Really brave, really brave. Those people are amazing. Jump. Whoa! The G4 battery is just something else. It is just that I'm able to be on whatever lane I want. I'm not saying this is 100% legal, but you know what I'm saying. Just look at how many people have the G2 Master. Like, I saw this scooter 10 times today. Wish you the best day ever. Those kids showed up with this huge ramp right here. Who is brave enough to jump it, dude? Nah. This guy's carrying his wheel. Oh my god. What's up?
What's up, bro? What's up?
What's up? Yeah. Really cool guy. He really knows how to ride. He loves the street tires, but he doesn't like the front heavy thing. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. Check this guy's G2 right here. Dude, I absolutely love the white paint. I also have the G2 Pro tire. I'm gonna do it. Oh. Nah, dude, I'm not brave enough. We also got the surround keys, dude. What's up? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. They are doing it. Whoa. No way, dude. Oh my god. Dude, that was so clean. Come on. Whoa. No. Dude, that's insane. I want to thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned.